Well, welcome back. Just started cleaning up the trailer the old-fashioned way with a wire wheel and scraper, and making some headway. That cleans up pretty good, so just keep on going here and update you as progress is made. What's he doing now? So we're gonna flip this trailer upside down so I can clean the underside of it. And I thought I'd bring you along for that. should be funny. You know, what could go wrong, really? So here it is, flipped upside down. Now I can clean the rest of it. So. Guys, that's basically it for prepping for paint. So I'm going to leave this skid pan on. It looks like it was welded right from the factory, so I'm not going to cut all those welds out and remove that pan. So I will flip the trailer back around again and straighten out a few panels here, and also straighten out this. Somebody ran into that in the car, I suppose. Looks like they did, or another piece of equipment. So it turned out pretty good. That's about 4 hours of wire wheeling on this thing. So pretty happy with it now. I'll wipe it all down with thinners and just go over, see if I can find any loose spots. I can see a couple here. Get some scrapers out and clean that up. There's a few spots that are still, like this piece here, Anyway, I'll work on the loose pieces. Prime it up. I'm going to use Trimclad. Good old Trimclad rust paint. It's cheap and it's really good stuff. So I painted Alice with Trimclad, and it's really good stuff. I'm very impressed, actually. Super cheap and really good paint. So that's what we're going to do. I think I can find the same color or close to it, that cream color, so we'll do that. So the next chore is to make the engine mounts for the Detroit. And of course, straighten the I-beam there, and just make it all tidy. I won't bring you along for flipping it back over again. You saw that once. And I guess that's enough. So again, thanks a lot for watching, subscribing, and commenting, guys. And we'll see you on the next video.